we are seeing a return to normalcy even amongst health workers. These times are not normal, and please do not treat them normally. Normal behavior will have abnormal consequences. Fellow Kenyans, since we relaxed the measures, we have seen worrying trends in many of our counties. Counties like Kilifi, that had registered remarkable containment, are now back to registering high numbers of positive cases. Other counties like Nakuru, Turkana, Trans Nzoia, Kisii, Kisumu, and Bungoma are also on a worrying trajectory. The spike we are witnessing has not just erupted out of nowhere. It has in part been triggered by wanton violations of containment protocols and advice from our experts. I am told that bars are neither requiring their patrons to observe social distancing nor asking them to wear masks, and they seem to be under the impression that sanitization at the door is a sufficient requirement for service. What I find ironic, and this is a very unfortunate part, is that it is those same business people and business owners who pleaded with the president to reopen the businesses because of the hardships they were facing as a result of the closures. I plead with you to work with us in enforcing measures in order to stop the possible escalation of the restrictions. Besides, public gatherings, including burials, weddings, and even political rallies, seem to have resumed with total disregard to advice given by this ministry. Leadership is not just a position. Leadership is leading by example. If leaders do not observe the measures given going to political rallies and other gatherings, the signals that they send to the public is that all is well. Yet we know that it is not. I appeal to leaders, particularly political leaders, to show leadership at this time and model best behavior to our people in regards to COVID-19 spread and pandemic. Somebody has to take responsibility, and it must, and it will, start with political leaders, business owners, and the organizers of events that attract large crowds, that are against the protocols that we have set forth. And no matter how much we preach to Kenyans, if we, the leadership, do not lead by example, we will simply be singing a song that Kenyans will not believe. And I'm therefore, and this is the advice given by the National Emergency Response Committee today, is to appeal to our people, especially the leadership, to simply adhere to the rules that we have given. This appeal goes to many people, including political leaders who are forcing large gatherings, no idea about masks, and it is no wonder then that the kind of figures that we are seeing have gone up.